Hi everyone, so for this video we're going to look at how to sketch a curve satisfying certain given properties. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see, I guess it says that we're going to sketch from 0 to 4, so I guess I will create my axis here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. The first thing is we have f prime of 1 and f prime of 3 are undefined. So if the derivative is undefined, that usually means there's some kind of cusp there. So what I'm going to remind myself is that at 1 and 3 there's a cusp, okay? F prime of 2 equals 0 is the next one here, so that probably means there is a max or a min somewhere around there because the derivative is 0 at that point. Then it says f has a local max at 1. So let's see, I guess that's going to be one of the higher points, so let me use a different color here. So I'm going to put something here. So it's a local max, but it's undefined, so it's probably going to be a cusp of that sort, like that. And then it says f has a local minimum at 2. Oh, so there is a minimum at 2. So notice that this second part here where we said that the derivative was 0, and now we say there's a local min. So somewhere down here is going to be at 2. And then it says f has an absolute max at 3. So that means it needs to be higher than what's happening at 1. So I'm just going to make my dot here higher a little bit. And then it says f has an absolute min at 4. Oh gosh, okay, so that means I need to make my dot much lower, or lower at least what's happening at 2. Alright, so let's kind of check off what we've got here. So I've taken care of local min at 2, I've taken care of absolute max at 3, and absolute min at 4. Oh, and I also have local max at 1. So really we need to make sure that at 1 and 3 it's undefined, so I got to have my cusps in there somehow. So this is going to be a cusp like this. Now it's not undefined at 2, so I'm going to round that out a little bit to make sure it's more of a U shaped here. But at 3 it's undefined, so I'm going to make it a cusp and then down. Alright, so let's double check. So the derivative of 1 and 3 are undefined, check. Right, I've got a cusp here, got a cusp there. F prime of 2 is 0, so that means there is a min there, right? So I'm trying to curve it out here a little bit, so it's nice and curvy. It's not a cusp, okay? And the other stuff we took care of. Alright, so there you go. That is one example of what your picture could look like, satisfying those given conditions.